Hi somebody, welcome to Rebel for a Spell, where it's all about you and me and how we step outside our comfort zone. Thank you for being here today. Betty, my darling, thank you for this lovely surprise, this bouquet of nature. Sister, my love, thank you. I miss you, I love you. Hi somebody. Yes, today, come with me into Mellow. Self-care meditate with me. I offer you my self-soothe kit. We prepare our mind, body, space, and spirit. First, let's prepare our space. Cleanse the air. Open a window. Have the plants cleanse the air. Sage, I burnt sage. Or some other incense. Whether it's sandalwood, I'm happy. Can you tell? And sometimes I use my favorite essential oil blend for meditation, a combination of rosemary oil and clove with a tincture of lemon. Now we prepare the mind with my self-soothe kit, the spirit and the soul. How do we do that? Well, through positive affirmations, positive self-talk. This one is by Ms. Oprah Winfrey. Nourish what makes you feel confident, connected, contented. Opportunity will rise. This day I had to go to the ocean because it called me. Yes, a place of peace and calm. That's what we seek today into mellow self-care. Meditate with me. Quiet the mind, quiet the limbs, and synchronize with nature, the greatest healer. We float away, we let the stress escape our minds and our bodies. Next, in my self-soothe kit, prepare the body. I use a combination of magnesium flakes and I put it in some random spritzer bottle that I had. Fill it up with just about a teaspoon of magnesium flakes that I use in my insomnia self-care video with a couple drops of lavender oil and purified water. I'm dancing because I'm happy. This combination for me just does the body, mind, and spirit to perfection. Calms everything down. I feel peaceful. Magnesium is known for calming the muscles, and I also use it for when I need some help sleeping. But I rub it into my wrists. The thin layer of skin helps it to penetrate, and it also perfumes the air into mellow self-care. Meditate with me. Now, as we prepare the body, we need the fluidity of water to ease all the kinks and the stress that we feel and carry in our bodies. I know you do, my loves, because I carry it in my neck, in my muscles. We want to stretch everything out like this palm to be limber. Feel lubricated and carefree like these drops of rain that cleanse the air and give us all life. I stretch my back because I carry a lot of weight, a lot of stress in my lower back. And we're almost there. Let's breathe. Breathe in positive energy. Hold it for 2. Exhale the stress and the negative thought away. Let's go again, my loves. 1, 2, breathe in. Positive thoughts. See yourself happy. Hold for 2. Then exhale all the stress away through your fingertips, your toes. You did it. Clear our mind. We're almost ready to begin our practice. Into mellow. You can open your eyes, you can close your eyes. I prefer to close my eyes. Here we go, my loves, into Mellow. Self-care, meditate with me. What did we do first? With the self-care soothe kit, prepare a space, mind, spirit, soul, and body for this moment. My self-soothe kit into Mellow. Meditate with me, my loves. Palms open, heart open. Gratitude. I always begin with gratitude. There's so much to be grateful for. I'm grateful you decided to be here with us today. Thank you. Here, I'm releasing all the tension. Open heart, open palm. I've cleansed my mind, my body, my spirit. So calming. You ready? Let's go. You can do it. Here I'm sitting still, aligning my spirit, mind, and body. Remembering everything that makes me feel peaceful and tranquil and happy. I can smell the eucalyptus rainfall. Breathing in, breathing out. Only allowing the positive. Come into Mellow. Self-care, meditate with me, my loves. You deserve this moment. Surrender into tranquility, into harmony. Feel the vibration, the positive vibration that you are sending to me and I am sending to you, my loves. Open heart, open arms, and open mind. Just like these petals in the sand, you deserve self-love into Mellow. Gratitude. Thank you, my loves. You're welcome to meditate for however long you need to. Sometimes I meditate for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. Whatever my spirit needs that day to quiet my mind. Thank you, my loves.
Good morning, I love you. Good morning, I do. Good morning, I love you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, nature. Thank you, the higher power, for allowing this moment. In gratitude of a new day, we rise to self-compassion. We rise to purpose. We rise to freedom. And into Mellow. Self-care, meditate with me. Sending love and light and positive vibrations. Betty, I love these flowers. I miss you, my friend. Thank you.
Another video is waiting for you.